Hi everybody, welcome to my workshop. My name's Colin Way. So today we're going to look at the robust tool rest. We're really excited to be exclusive dealers for this robust tool rest in the UK. I'd like to take you through some of the key features that make these tool rests so good. Okay, so first let's look at the three main differences really for me, the ones that I've picked up on. Firstly, this is my old tool rest, so just take a look at this one. This is a regular tool rest, cast iron, so really quick to produce, but fairly soft. And so this does need regular filing away just to keep things nice and clean. However, the hardened steel rod that's on top of the robust negates the reason for filing, so you've always got that nice smooth finish to run your tool along. The other thing with this one is it's got a tight radius, so you're always close to your work that you're turning. The other thing, this is a fairly rough surface on the casting here, where here this is a lovely polished surface, so your hands can run along the tool rest without being stopped. And also there's lots of room for your hands, so underneath the tool, whether you use overhand or underhand posture, your hands will be able to run along underneath the tool rest unimpeded. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to show you, this is my old tool rest, and what happens when I lower the handle. Look at the pivot point, how it changes from front of the tool rest to the back of the tool rest. Now, if you're using a skew chisel or even shear scraping, sometimes that can lead to a catch. So let's just have a look at the robust tool rest and how that differs. Okay, so now the robust tool rest, and you can see the tight radius here, and behind that radius, that contact area, there is no steel, so plenty of room here for my hands, and also raising and lowering the handle, you've still got that maximum contact close to the workpiece. Whether you're using the underhand grip or whether you're using an overhand grip, you've got plenty of room. The other thing, an important thing to note here, is the surface, how smooth this is. So if you are using the underhand grip, your fingers can glide along that tool rest really, really nicely. Okay, so the straight tool rests are available in 4 sizes. We've got 6-inch, 9-inch, 12-inch and 15, or 150, 230, 305 and 380 millimeters. 2 curved bowl rests are available, internal and external, and also 2 post sizes, 1 inch and 30 millimeters. So here we are, we've got a rough turn bowl here. Look how the internal bowl rest allows me to keep really, really close to the timber as I'm cutting all the way down to that bottom surface for maximum control. And again, on this same rough turn bowl, look how close the external curved tool rest is now. So that means that I can come all the way around, again, really, really close. No, I don't need to adjust the tool rest. I can shear scrape because that low angle. I can even pay attention to the sacrificial foot here. So fantastic, no movement at all. So there we are. For more information, check out our website online or visit in store. Thank you for watching.